Stop wasting your life. We're all spending way too much time on social media on our phones, and it's taking a toll on our lives. What I do to limit my time for social media and other devices is that I clearly focus on the task that I have on hand, and I specifically specify the specific time that I can use the social media. This is easier done if you use a planner, or even better, an app that is blocking the social media on your phone or on your computer. And you can be sure that you're gonna stick to that plan if you have a specific goal that you want to achieve. For example, to write a freaking screenplay. Or you can even start the social detox with your body. So you're gonna be doing it together, and that's like peer pressure. In a good way, obviously. It's important that you feed your attention with stuff that really matters in your life, and not just random videos that pop up in your feed. Try it out and you'll see how awesome you will feel. And action!